Our main story, more than 300,000 people are leaving the workforce every year because of insufficient support for mental health problems.
A report commissioned by the government says the cost to the economy is nearly £100 billion. Now the Prime Minister has instructed the NHS and the civil service to do more to help promote the mental well-being of their staff, as Rob Sissons reports.
At this insurance company, they're proud of their record of supporting workers. Today's report recommends more places should be like this. Aviva in Sheffield says it's tried to change the way people think about mental health, training managers and encouraging openness. James Tringham has a history of mental health problems, something the firm was aware of when they took him on.
When I started working here, I was terrified. I had to be coaxed in, and the support team that were training me at that stage weren't sure if I'd make it through or not, although they could see that there was potential there. And work has a great benefit. It has a normalising effect.
The government-ordered review, which covers the whole of the UK, suggests what's being held up as good practice has yet to catch on. It concludes poor mental health costs businesses £42 billion a year in lost work days and low productivity. The cost to the UK economy is put even higher, at £99 billion. That takes in NHS costs of caring for people, the payment of benefits and lost taxes. The government says it welcomes the report and says big employers like NHS England and the civil service, who have 2 million workers, will now be guaranteed tailored in-house mental health support, and it'll encourage small businesses to implement the recommendations. Rob Sissons, BBC News.
Well, Coletta's seeing how businesses can implement this. She's at a Royal Mail sorting office in Warrington for us this morning. And Coletta, many people are asking how actually this can be implemented in the workplace.
Yeah, morning Naga, morning Charlie, morning everyone. It's a difficult one. The recommendations in this report are kind of varied. A big one though is for managers to actually make a plan in the workforce, to make sure that workers know who they can talk to if they've got a difficulty. And I'm here at this Royal Mail sorting office because here they're trying different things. They're trying safe rooms that people can go off to if they just need a break. One of the really controversial bits though is that employers, according to the report, should make an assessment of their workforce, should know where people are up to in terms of mental health. And as you say, Naga, that's often easier said than done. A lot of people concerned maybe about, actually, that's difficult to spot. As a manager, it's difficult to work out who might need help at different stages. But mostly this report is talking about creating a culture of honesty in the workforce, that people know that if they talk to their boss, their line manager, they're not going to get in trouble for it, and in fact they're going to get the support that they need instead.
Coletta, we'll be talking to you later on. You'll be talking to people from there as well. Thanks very much.